playing airsoft. I got a cold, but it's gonna be alright. Let's go. Welcome to Kansas, home of nothing. Cornfields and shit. There's nothing here. Nothing in Kansas. Don't come here. A whole lot of that. And that. And that. There's nothing here. And we are here. That's the paintball area. We shun paintballers.
Just kidding. Not really. Just kidding. They just hog the field. Welcome back, guys, to another game at Foxhole. So this game was at the end of the day. It was just me and a couple other guys playing. But usually when there's few of us, I have the most fun in just messing around. So straight into the game, I see one of the guys go into the bunker in the middle of the field. I hit the branch, he heard me, and went inside. It might be a minute till he pokes his head back out, so I'm going to adjust my cover a little bit. He doesn't know where I am, so I just have to wait for him to come out.
I'm on a boat.
I think they're trying to avoid me, so I have to go to them. I move fast. I'm always making sure I'm not in their vision so I can get them by surprise. They're now just around the corner, so I wait for them to get distracted to take the shot. You couldn't really hear him, but he said he was trying not to get shot by me again.
Just because I heard you say that.
That's a pride thing. I don't care.
Oh.
I love him nonetheless. I can't be mad at you. It's good shit.
So after coming around all the way to their spawn, I give them some space by going back to mine and then coming back. I spot one to my right who looks like he's trying to get a safety on one of my teammates. But it looks like my teammate already saw him coming.
I know you were chasing me. You wanted to rustle them jimmies, you did.
He knows I'm here, so while his head is down, I'm going to change position. The wind's a bit too strong at this distance to keep wasting ammo on him. I see another one though, a bit closer. Before either of them try to spot me again, I'm going to change position again.
Everyone gave up. Why you guys give up? Why?